my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So guys, today I'm going to do a lipstick lip swatches from AYA, and this is a mini lipstick set of 12. This one was for rupees 5.99 and you will get for 50% discount from purple.com, and it is also available in Amazon and Nykaa, and I bought this one from purple.com, and I will give you the link below in the description. You can check it out. So without wasting time, let's get started. Guys, now I'm going to explain you in every detail and what are the ingredients added in this, and so guys, stay tuned. So this is how the packaging looks, and the packaging comes like this in a plastic case, and it is travel friendly as well. It comes with different sets of 12 lipsticks, and there are only 2 sets actually, and this is set number A and there is set number B. So here I'm showing some of the colors, and also I'm going to read for you some of the ingredients that are added here. So there are some ingredients like mineral oil, ozokerite, ethyl texyl palmitate, microcrystalline, and many other ingredients. So this is a super matte mini lipsticks with set of 12, and for one single lipstick it might cost for 24 or 25 rupees. If you want it, then you can go for this. So then now I'm going to try on every shades on my lips. So do comment down below which is your favorite shades or which is your favorite color. So then let's go. I wanna run
away. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No.
Like this video. If you do so, then please don't forget to give a like, and also please do follow me on Instagram. Links are given below. So thank you so much for watching. Till then, take care.